Hi, this is John here. Now you're going to see about a interesting sum here. There is a boy and a girl. The boy's name is Madhi. The little girl, whose name is Nila. Okay, both of them are brothers and sisters here. Now the sum will be what is it is. Nila will be a small girl, and Madhi will be his brother, so he is a bigger one. So now you're going to calculate what is the age over here, right? So the brother is the elder here. He is 3 years elder than this Nila. So the condition we have to follow here is, so Madhi is the brother and Nila is her sister. So she is 3 years less 3 years old. Okay, so we can go the condition here, pattern is n plus 3. So we compare with the Nila's age here n. So when the Nila's age n is equal to 4, yes, the Madhi's age will be 3 years bigger, correct? So here 4 plus 3 will be, the Madhi's age will be 7 here. Similarly, when you go for, when the Nila's age is 8, the Madhi's age will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Suppose we have Nila's age is 12, so 12 plus 3, the Madhi's age will be, it will be 15. In our home, we will be having your brothers and sisters. So every year it is going to change, correct? Our brothers also age will be also being increased, correct? In a right manner. Okay. Thank you.